Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. In this video, I have recreated Sonam Kapoor's Cannes makeup tutorial. This was her second day at Cannes Film Festival and I absolutely love her makeup in this look. It's so summery, isn't it? So if you want to know how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching. Oh yes, by the way, I have a giveaway in this video, so stay tuned till the end and yeah, let's get started. So I have already done with my moisturizer and foundation. Let's jump onto the concealer. I will be applying LA Girl Pro concealer under my eyes in the triangle shape, on my forehead, bridge of my nose, cupid bow and chin. And let concealer sit there for a while and move on to my brows. For brows, I will be using Essence Brow Pencil and filling in my eyebrows. Once it's done, I will blend my concealer with a Damn Beauty blender. The trick is to keep the concealer for a while, is that it will give us the full coverage. Do try it out, it really works. Then I'm going to set my base with the MAC Studio Fix translucent powder. It's a compact powder with the Makeup Revolution angular brush. I'm going to bronze up my face with the Savannah Bronze Highlight Blush palette with the same Makeup Revolution brush. Once it's done, I will be applying Sephora blush heavily on my cheeks because Sonam's cheeks look so blushy and flush. I think she loves applying blush and that's why I'm doing it here. After that, with the Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminating Highlighter, I'm going to highlight my face basically on my highest points of the face, which is the cheek, cupid bow, chin, forehead and brow bone. Alright, now it's done. Let's get started with the eyes. I'm going to apply same bronzer which we used earlier on my crease and lower lash line as my transition shade with the Pro Art blending brush. I'm going to deepen it further with a cool tone brown shade and blend it out. For the pop of color, I'm going to apply a yellow gold eyeshadow from my Saharan palette and apply it on my lid, starting from my inner corner to a center of my lid, and on top of that I'm going to apply a matte eyeshadow from Urban Decay Electric palette for that pop. And then I will line my waterline with a Faces Gold pencil. This will give us a nice dimension for that yellowish green shade which we applied on the lid. Finishing this eye look with a thin layer of mascara on top and bottom lashes, and then apply some nice fluttery eyelashes. Completing this look with Miss Claire lip cream, and for the gloss I will be applying NYX butter gloss on top of it. And here you go guys, I have completed this look with a messy low bun and a diamond earrings. I love how this look turned out. Thank you so much for watching this video and keeping up with me for this Cannes 2018 makeup videos. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Your comments made me feel so happy and proud of myself, and so I have decided to give something back to you. I will be giving NYKAA vouchers worth 1000 rupees for 2 lucky winners, so that you can shop anything from the website of your choice. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, like, share this video, and comment down which Cannes makeup look I have created was your favorite. And follow me on my all social media such as Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, Snapchat. Winners will be announced on my Instagram account. Check out my description box for more giveaway details. And till then, I shall see you in my next video. Bye.